Na, na. What if I broke our monogamous agreement? What if I told you I lied but didn't mean it? What if my one mistake had the potential to break up a happy home? What you wanna know? What if I confessed it and though shit didn't mean nothing when it happened? You think I'm leaving? What if I suppressed it and made a vow to never mess with another? Is it cool for me to smother the fakes? Is it cool for me to cover my tracks? If you never know, would me not being honest hurt you more? Hypothetically, of course, are there some things better left unsaid? Or would you wanna know instead? Hypothetically, of course, are there some wars not worth fighting? Some tears not worth crying now? Hypothetically, of course, what if this happened to you? What would you want me to do? Well, what if I say that I had a confession? What if I said 3 years ago when we were arguing, he came to comfort me and I wound up pregnant, and I just don't know for sure if the baby's. Ooh, what if I confess it and it turns out not to be a baby after you've been tested and so we've been blessed with? What if I suppressed it? 'Cause technically you're the baby's daddy anyway. Is it wrong for me to want you to stay? Would you rather have me take away from me? Only family, you know. Or is it just too big a secret? Keep it on the low. Would you wanna know instead? Hypothetically, of course. Are there some wars not worth fighting? Some tears not worth crying now? Hypothetically, of course. What if this happened to you? What you want me to do? Or would you wanna know? Tell me what you do. Would you walk away or would you stay? Would you wanna know? Would you wanna leave the past behind us? Or are you afraid that one day you might find us? Would it even matter? Could it even matter? Should it even matter? Should it even matter? Oh, baby, 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 baby.